we're recording. Okay, so test flight number 2. After making a couple small changes on the pots. Okay. Let's go to idle up.
Idle up. Idle up. Throttle active. 0 angle 90 dB 15.8 volts. 0 angle 92 dB 15.5 volts.
Blades are nice and quiet.
0 angle 70 dB 15.4 volts.
A little bit of elevator going on. I think I might need to adjust that one a little bit.
15.4 volts.
And it definitely wants to go to the right, so I'm going to need to adjust that horn. Look at my servo lead though, it doesn't seem to be going too crazy on the vibration. I think I got a little bit there. Definitely some vibration there, I saw that. Yeah, I got a little bit of vibration still going on. Oh, look at that. Bring it down. Blades are nice and quiet. Alright, so getting closer. The blades are quiet. Everything looks good. Just need to make some more adjustments.